Hi there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about personal finance and how to manage your money effectively. In today's video, we'll be discussing some personal finance mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. The first mistake that people make is not having a budget. A budget is essential for keeping track of your expenses and making sure you don't overspend. Without a budget, you may find yourself spending more money than you earn, which can lead to debt and financial trouble. Creating a budget is easy. You can use a spreadsheet or a budgeting app to track your income and expenses. Make sure you set aside some money for emergencies, savings, and investing. Mistake number 2, living beyond your means. The second mistake is living beyond your means. Many people make the mistake of spending more than they earn, which can lead to debt and financial problems. It's important to live within your means and avoid unnecessary expenses. Don't try to keep up with others and avoid lifestyle inflation. Instead, focus on saving and investing your money wisely. Mistake number 3, not saving for retirement. The third mistake is not saving for retirement. Many people don't start saving for retirement until it's too late, which can make it difficult to retire comfortably. Start saving for retirement as soon as possible. Take advantage of your employer's retirement plan and contribute as much as you can. Also, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or a Roth IRA. Mistake number 4, not having an emergency fund. The fourth mistake is not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Without an emergency fund, you may have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover these expenses, which can lead to debt and financial problems. Make sure you have an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This can provide a safety net during tough times and prevent you from going into debt. Mistake number 5, not investing your money. The fifth and final mistake is not investing your money. Many people make the mistake of keeping their money in a savings account, which doesn't provide much return on investment. Consider investing your money in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These investments can provide a higher return on investment over the long term and help you reach your financial goals. So there you have it, folks, the 5 personal finance mistakes to avoid. Remember to create a budget, live within your means, save for retirement and emergencies, and invest your money wisely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice.